Welcome back. We are here to talk about Hewlett Packard today. Why? Because they have earnings after close today. What does earnings mean? And what does earnings mean? Means volatility, and volatility means money. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. I've been doing earnings content published daily, and so far we have a fantastic win rate, so you're not going to want to miss the next one. Hewlett Packard, the once noble multinational information technology company that sells hardware, software, and related business services, has become complete shit. Revenue growth, you say? Hewlett Packard says not for us. So what do we do with a company that has almost no interesting news whatsoever, whose revenue doesn't grow, and whose put-to-call ratio is equally as uninteresting? About the only thing we can do is sell iron condors to whoever will buy them. Looking at the probability analysis, we can see that our one standard deviation range is between 913 and 1050. So for our iron condor, we can do one wing with 1050 and 1150 as our call side, and the other wing has $9 and $8 as our put side. So the verdict on this one is we're going to short an iron condor with our call short at 1050 and our put short at 9. Finally, our long call at 1150 and our long put at 8. As an alternate play, you could just eliminate the long legs on this one if you wanted. Now that exposes you to way more risk. However, HPE does not really like to move all that much. Thank you for watching. That's our HPE play. If you're looking for more earnings plays, I publish them daily these days, and I try to have them all out while the analysis is still actually actionable. So make sure to subscribe to not miss the next one. Leave a like and a comment if you like this new format. It's a lot faster, and it's actually a lot easier for me to do. Finally, if you're looking for a broker, I use Webull. If you're looking for fast stock market news, I use Benzinga. And if you're looking for good options flow, I use Flow Algo. There are referral links for all of those down below. Thank you very much. I will see you tomorrow.